Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here for Whimsy Stamps, bringing you another product reveal with the new Slimline Enchanted Forest paper pack. The papers measure 8.5 inches long by 3.5 inches wide. And this pack includes 30 single-sided sheets, 2 each of 15 designs. And each piece of paper is high-quality cardstock, and it's filled with gorgeous, bright colors. Now, if backgrounds are not your strong suit, Whimsy has you covered with this one once again. For me, this paper pack, when I opened it up, it transported me into a storybook. And as I flipped through it, each piece of paper told me a different story. And it is just magical. Now, it's going to be perfect paired with the new Build a Fairy Garden die set. I have a sample here to share with you. Let me know what you think about this new paper pack in the comments below. I am so curious to know how you feel about it. For more information, you can click the link below and head over to the Whimsy Stamps website to check it out over there. And as always, please know how much we appreciate you. Until next time, have a great day.